Hey guys, Josh here with Overland AZ, and today we're going to be taking a look at 5 of our favorite camp kitchen accessories that we take with us on every single trip. Now, our camp kitchen has evolved over the years to be lighter, more compact, and more efficient for us, and we're going to take a look at our favorites that we're using right now. At number 5 is our food-grade squeeze bottles. These are great for holding oils, condiments, and other liquids that you keep with you in your camp kitchen. They're easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and they don't leak on the trail. At number 4 is our Cleverona NonStick Pan. We love how easy this is to clean. It has great heat transfer, it's really lightweight, and it's compact. Our favorite thing is that the handle's removable, so it fits really well into our storage container. At number 3 is our Partner Steel stove. We've had a number of different cooking stoves over the years, anything from Coleman dual burners to propane grills. And our Partner Steel, we love how hot it gets. It's very efficient. It's easy to hook up to our 5-pound propane tank. All the parts on it are serviceable, and you can easily take it apart for cleaning. At number 2 is our Tough Stuff Overland 12-volt fridge. We love how much space this gives us. We don't need to carry ice on the trail, which means we don't get a watery mess in all of our food at the end of a long week or weekend. It's also really great if you have kids. It's super easy to throw some bottles of milk, some snacks, sandwiches, whatever you want to take along with you, even if you're just going for a day trip. And finally, at the number 1 spot is our Outback Adventure Products tailgate table. We love how compact this is. It's always available for us on the back of our tailgate. It's super easy to use, and it has no rattles while we're out on the trail. It's great to fold down quickly and make sandwiches when you stop for lunch, or you can throw your stove on it and slide out the cutting board and prep for a big dinner. Well guys, there you have it. That is our top 5 favorite things that we keep in our camp kitchen and use every single time we go out. Now, if you're just getting started out, don't feel like you need to have all this stuff. This is the culmination of years and years of us going out and refining our setup and changing how we're doing this. Really, all you need is a pan, a heat source, and a cooler to keep your food, and you can go out and you can make great camp meals, and you can use utensils from home, and you can bring plates and silverware from home. And over time, as you figure out what works for you, you're going to evolve as well, and you're going to change the items that you bring with you, and you might pick up some new gear along the way. I hope you enjoyed our camp setup. If you did, please head over to our YouTube page, youtube.com/overlandaz. Take a look around, and if you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the trail.